Hey, Super Helicopter. Looks like you want an apple. Wait, something sounds bad in your blades. You're so stubborn. Watch out! The blades are shaking. Oh no! Be careful, Super Helicopter. Hey, Tom. Super Helicopter had an accident. Can you repair him in your garage? Ready for the inspection? Your blades are missing. And your bent landing skid needs straightening. Tom, are you up to the challenge? Let's start with the missing blades. You'll need to find 2 blades for Super Helicopter around here.
Yay!
Perfect pair. Cool. Let's test them out. Amazing. Finally, the bent landing skid. Let's see if the hammer will work. Not working. Let's just get a new one. Do you have the right one? Yes, you got it. Nicely done. Super Helicopter is finally back to normal. Now you're ready to go back for your apple. Looks like Tom is up to something.
Yay! Hey!
Aha! An airbag just in case you crash again. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye for now. There's your apple tree. Careful, Super Helicopter. No need to rush. Oh no! Watch out! Thanks to the airbag, you didn't get hurt. Be careful, Super Helicopter. And more if you're flying. Hey, Matilda. Hey, police robot. Let's patrol the city. Hey, no littering in the city. You can't get away from the police. Police robot, watch out! Oh no, she's acting strange after that crash. Hey Tom, police robot is hurt. Can you fix her up in your garage? You'll need to act fast with the inspection. That crash broke your arm. And you're about to lose your antenna. Tom, you better start right away. Let's detach the broken arm. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. Phew, that was close. Tom, get it quick. The broken antenna is causing a malfunction. Let's hurry up. Oh no, not again. Oops, robot police actually picked the right one.
Hey.
Great, let's fix the antenna. Good job. She is finally back to normal. Ready for your patrol with Matilda? Tom is up to something. Cool. A slime gun to stop offenders in their tracks. Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Look, police robot is back. Jerry needs to be stopped. The slime gun will be much faster. Bullseye! When faced with a problem, choose the best solution. Oh no, the evil twin is back. Jerry, that's not Super Truck. Hey, Super Truck, your evil twin is creating a mess. There he is, looking all smug. Careful, Super Truck. Looks like he's up to something. Watch out! Hey, Tom, Super Truck needs your help. Yikes! Can you tell which one is Super Truck? Take your time, Tom. You have to pick one. Great. Let's take him to your garage for repair.
Yay!
Bye, Jerry. You need to wake him up before the inspection. Nice. A bucket of water is perfect. Oh no, you picked the evil twin. Calm down, Tom. Let's get the real Super Truck. Phew. At least he won't know you confused him with his evil twin. Let's wake him up. Welcome back, Super Truck. Remember the collision? Don't worry. Tom will fix you up. It's inspection time. Your bumper is broken. Tom, ready to start? Which bumper will fit, Super Truck? Too big.
Yay!
Yes, you got it. Super Truck is finally back to normal. Ready to clear your evil twin's mess?
Yay!
Tom, do you have something else for Super Truck?
Woo!
Aha! A water hose to help you clean up the city. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye. Your evil twin is relentless. Quick, use your water hose. See, Jerry, it was all the evil twins' fault. Let's clean up Jerry first.
Hey!
Nicely done. Now let's clean up the city. The city is shining again. Hey, Marley,
Hey.
getting ready for the monster truck show? Wow, that was impressive. Be careful, Marley. That looks dangerous. What is Marley doing? He can't land on 2 tires. You okay, Marley? That was a terrible crash. Did you see that, Tom? Feeling embarrassed, Marley? We all make mistakes. Let's go to the garage to get you fixed up. We're here. Let's take a good look at the damage. That tire is totally flat. You're lucky you're not seriously injured, Marley. That's a lot of dents, Tom. Can you smooth them out? Definitely needs a new bumper. Can you put your lights on, please, Marley? Looks like the entire spotlight needs to be replaced. Where will you start, Tom? Hold still, Marley. This won't hurt a bit. Wait, that's way too small. That's still too small. Right, Tom? That one's just perfect.
Yay!
There. That's awesome. That fender is almost off due to the accident. It should be easy to remove. A monster bumper for a monster truck. That looks awesome. So shiny. Time to get that broken spotlight off and replace it. Test your new spotlight, Marley. Perfect. Now what, Tom? Oh, yes. All the dents need fixing. Now some touch-up paint for the scratches. There. All done. Tom has a special surprise for you, Marley.
Yay!
A trampoline. Marley, you'll be able to do awesome stunts safely now. Let's see Marley in action. He's going to be more careful this time. Wow! A backwards flip. Look at Marley on the trampoline. What a great show. See you soon, everyone. Hey, Gary. Time for garbage pickup? Be careful. The next bin is really full. Oh, you think you're so strong. Be careful. Uh-oh. Yikes. You're all dirty. Yes, that's not a good smell. Tom, don't you smell anything? Yikes! It's Gary that had a garbage problem. Gary needs a good wash. You know where to take him. Don't worry, Gary. You'll be fine. You need a good shower. Now let's take a look at you. Looks like there's a banana peel on your head and mud puddles on your windscreen and mirrors. Gary, you've also got some pizza slices in your tires. Let's get Gary all cleaned up. Feeling ticklish, Gary? Good work. Let's get those pizza slices out. Oops, we've got too many bubbles. It looks like Gary is enjoying them. Ow, the mud puck. Good choice, Tom. This will remove them quickly. You're almost done. Shine like a star, Gary. Tom has a surprise for you, Gary. Perfume. Great idea, Tom. Gary smells like flowers.
Hey!
Doesn't Gary smell good?
Yeah!
Hey, Jerry, that's a lot of accessories. Do you need all of them for the race? You should get rid of that extra weight. Can't you move anymore, Jerry? Oh no, you have an oil leak. Hey, Tom, Jerry can't race anymore. Will you tow him to your garage?
Yay!
Okay, Tom, what do you think? Yes, those heavy accessories need to go. The car oil tank needs changing. Jerry, try to start your engine. The battery must have gone flat. Ready to start? Let's start with those heavy accessories.
Hey!
Don't you feel much lighter already? Oops, there's oil everywhere. The oil pump, great idea. Be careful on that oily floor.
Hey!
Great, now let's change the oil tank. Quick, throw it in the trash. Here's a new one. It's full too. Almost there, Jerry. Tom still needs to change your battery. There's the battery charger. Perfect for the job. Okay, Jerry. Let's hear your engine roaring. Looks like Jerry's ready for the race.
Hey!
Tom, do you have a surprise? Lightweight speed wheels. You'll be light as a feather. So cool.
Wow.
Now you'll feel the difference for sure. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye for now. Marley sure looks confident.
Hey!
Ready, guys? Go! Show him, Jerry. Marley, you're about to lose the first spot. Woohoo! Jerry is the winner. Packing light makes you much faster. Hi, Frank. Are you helping to mix the cement? Wait, what's that smoke over there? Oh no! A tree is on fire!
Ha! Huh.
Frank, watch out! Please stay calm. Panicking makes it worse. Hey, Tom. Frank is stuck in cement. He needs a repair, and quick. Ready to inspect the damage? That broken hubcap really felt the impact. And the ladder is stuck because of the dried cement. Nothing that can't be fixed, right, Tom?
Hey.
Okay, Tom, let's start with the hubcap. Ah, a hammer to break off the dried cement. Good. Now you can remove the hubcap.
Oh.
Frank can't wait for his new hubcap. Yes, that one is
Yay.
definitely for Frank.
Oh.
Haha.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hey.
Now let's fix the stuck ladder.
Oh.
Free at last. Frank, I bet you can move your ladder now.
Huh?
I know. It needs some oil.
Woo. Hey.
Yay! Frank is finally back to normal. Frank is ready to put out the fire at the park. Tom, aren't you done with Frank? Ah, a drill will help you when you're stuck. Bye-bye, Tom. Thanks for your help.
Hey. Ha!
Not again. Tough luck. Stay calm and focus.
Ha!
Yes, you did it. Now go put out that fire. Now you know, it's important to stay calm in stressful situations. Hey, Crocomile, what a beautiful day for a barbecue.
Hey.
Yummy, your meat is ready.
Hey.
Yikes, a dinosaur has stolen your meat. You can't stop the dinosaur alone. Why don't you get some help? Watch out! Crocomile, are you all right? Crocomile tried to stop the dinosaur and got hurt. He needs to be repaired. Tom, are you ready for the inspection? That broken dorsal fin will need to be replaced. Your hubcap is also broken. But don't worry, Tom will fix you up. Ready to start? Great. Let's start with the broken dorsal spine. Good choice. A screwdriver will do the job. Let's get a new one. Which dorsal spine will suit Crocomile?
Yay!
Yes, that is the one.
Yeah.
Crocomile loves his new dorsal fin. Let's fix the hubcap. The wrench is right at the top. How about a shiny hubcap? See? Crocomile likes the shiny one too. Nice. Crocomile is now fully repaired. Crocomile, Do you still want to stop the dinosaur? Looks like Tom is up to something. Cool.
Hey.
Remote-controlled Dino T-Rex toy to
Hey.
distract the dinosaur. Now, are you ready to stop the dinosaur? Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Not this time, dinosaur. Now would be a good time to use your camouflage skills. This is your chance, Crocomile. Let the games begin. He didn't see that one coming.
Hey.
Crocomile, you did
Hey.
it. Good job. A little help goes a long way.